Are you spending too much money grocery shopping? Let's talk about that. Hi, welcome back. I'm Eileen Judd, and I'm a money saving expert. I'm a mom of 4. I know what it's like to live on a tight budget. I post videos every Tuesday, and today we'll be talking about how to save money at the grocery store. Number 1, shop your pantry and your fridge and your freezer. Find out what needs to be used first and look up recipes online using those ingredients and for ideas, and come up with meals, and then only get what you still need for those meals when you go grocery shopping, or things you're about to run out of, like toiletries. Shop your ad. The biggest savings on grocery ads are on the front and the back. Sometimes you have stuff in the middle too. Most time you're getting the best deals on the front and the back, which usually is the produce and the meats. Try to only buy what's on sale when possible. Number 3, set a budget. Have a budget and stick to it. $300 a month for one person, a family of 2. After that, it's $100 per person for 3 or more people. And you add $50 or just $50 to $70 per person if you're living in a higher cost of living area. Then divide that budget by how many times you'd go shopping. So once every 2 weeks, once a week, once a month. I budget so I can go to Costco once a month, and then I just buy my produce and eggs and milk that I need each week at the grocery store. Number 4, make sure to add any coupons or savings that you need on your app to your grocery store's card, like Fry's or Safeway card, Kroger card, so you can get that added savings. Most grocery stores have manufacturer coupons on their apps that you can add to help you save money. Number 5, check the clearance areas. Most grocery stores have somewhat of a clearance area. Now, Kroger has a better clearance area. They usually have a clearance area in the produce section. For produce, you get a produce for $1 a bag. The bread is usually found clearance over in the dairy section for some reason, and you can find clearance items in the frozen refrigerated area, and you can find clearance meats. Now, not all the time. Some stores even have better selection than others. It's hit or miss. But getting vegetables that are near the edge of glory, you can take them home, cut them up, and freeze most of them, or use them up right away, and you can save a lot of money. I've gotten a bag of 5 avocados that were on the edge of glory, and that's the 5 avocados for $1. That's savings. Avocados freeze beautiful. You can freeze breads and meats and all that for later. If you have a vacuum sealer, meats can be frozen for a much longer period of time. Number 6, check prices per ounce to make sure you are getting the best price. Number 6, check prices per ounce to make sure you're getting the best price. Most of the time on bigger items, you actually get a better price per ounce versus one of the smaller items. And sometimes on the smaller items you get a better price than the bigger items. So you have to keep an eye out on that to make sure you're getting the best deal. Doesn't mean you necessarily have to get the biggest item if that's what doesn't fit your needs. But if you have a big size family and you can use that, you can use it up, then it might be worth it. Number 7, shop in bulk. When possible, get flats of cans, get big bags of flour, big bags of rice, big bags of yeast, whatever you will use the most of. And it will also give you a little bit of food storage, so when pandemics and rough times happen financially for you, you have a little bit of food to stretch out your meals so you can make it through until your next paycheck. Number 8, buy store brand whenever possible. However, there is an actual difference between store brand and name brand products, despite what Rachel Ray says. Things like cream of chicken soup versus Campbell's cream of chicken soup, those type of things I can tell the difference of. C&H sugar versus store brand sugar, there's a difference. Even if it's actually produced at the same place, you're getting something different. Like store brand sodas, they are actually, I learned in marketing class that they are actually produced at this name brand soda plants, but you're getting stuff from the bottom of the barrel. So what you're getting is the sweeter stuff. It has more sugar in it. So what you're getting is an actual different quality versus what the name brand is actually putting out. So keep that in mind. But the easiest stuff to buy store brand: vegetables, pastas, condiments, sour cream, milk, things like that. Things like that will help you save a lot of money. Canned vegetables, the difference can be as much as 30 to 40 cents per can versus the name brand stuff. So it would be worth it to you to try to buy as much store brand products as possible. Number 9, leave $10 or $20 in your budget as a buffer in case you forget items. Add items to your list like bread, butter, milk, etc. Number 10, make a list. Make a list and stick to it. I prefer to make a list on my phone. Go into the store with your blinders on and focus on the items that you're going to get. Make sure and put your grocery list on your phone. I prefer to use the Google Keep app to make my list, and I can categorize it, decorate it however I want. It's good to have your list on your phone because you're less likely to forget your phone versus a piece of paper. And the upside to using Google Keep is you can actually share that list with a collaborator, basically. And I share my list with my husband, so if I'm sick or something and I need him to go to the grocery store, then he has the list and I don't have to worry about it. And number 11, my bonus tip: do a spending freeze for a week. Live off what you have in your house. Only buying gas and paying bills. Saving that money and putting it towards a vacation, paying off debt, whatever you need to do. These tips can save you to 30 to 50% off every time you go to the grocery store. For more videos like this, press the like button, To know what videos are coming next, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you know when my videos come out. I post videos every Tuesday and sometimes bonus videos on other days. So until next time, happy savings. Bye.